Hi guys, I'm going to show you guys how to make a baked mackerel. I'm going to season it a bit. I'm going to turn my oven off real quick, sorry. I'm going to season it a little bit. So I have a special seasoning. It's a blend called Mish Mish. I'll put a description for it inside of my caption. But I have the mackerel. And what I did was I just had them cut the head, take the fins, and split the back, which means there's still a whole rib of bones right here. So what I did was season it with the mish mish, just a little bit of fresh marjoram and a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to flip it over on this side, which is skin side up. That's the side I wanted to cook on. And then I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to season it. And I'll do a video about mish mish in a few minutes too. So I have that on there. I'll add a little bit of olive oil. I'll use the marjoram as some aromatics. And I'm going to cook it skin side up because I want the skin to be super, super crispy. So I'm going to add a few onions. I'm going to add a piece of lemon. Oops, yeah, I've been eating off this piece about all week. Been using it for tea and everything. And I'm going to put 1 or 2 heads of garlic on there too. I'm going to keep it whole. If the garlic cloves are pretty big, I'll just cut them down into small slices. So I have my garlic cloves, so I'll just cut it down into small slices. And I have my oven on 450. And I'm going to roast it at that, and then I'll bring it back and let you guys see what it looks like. I'm going to pull the mackerel out of the oven right now. This is what it looks like. Remember guys, I have my oven on 425. So we have the onions and garlic kind of roasted off a little bit. We have the fish in here. It's nice and crispy. So now I'll just add a little bit of olive oil, and I'll add a little bit more butter. And then when I serve it, I'll serve it with a little bit of brown rice.